south wind. Visit our website via weather.gov/IWX.
Attention all Noble County, city, county units, fire units, EMS, and home monitors. The National Weather Service has initiated a statewide tornado drill test. The statewide Weather Service has initiated a statewide tornado drill. This is only a drill. Monitoring stations stand by to acknowledge tornado drill. Noble County clear at 10:21.